Okay, we are on Module 5, Lesson 3. Module 5, Lesson 3. I need you to have your fluency book on. Your fluency book out. Where is your fluency book? Let's go.
You shot it, man.
Huh?
You shot it.
I did, I turned it off. Module 5, Lesson 3. We are starting with our fluency on page 141 and 142. It's right up there. It's probably 143. 141. There's no B? Is it 143?
Yeah.
Okay, my bad, sorry. Alright, 141. We're going to start with 141. Guys, 141. Pencils up. Brayden, you ready?
Oh,
Okay. It's the same one you have all year. One hundred and 41. Ready?
no.
Pencils up.
No, I'm not ready.
Okay, well, you were late, Beth. Okay, I understand you're catching up. Ready? Okay. Alright, ready? Go. Seconds. Five seconds. All right, stand up. Okay. Ready? Number 1. It's what, Daniel? 2/5. It is 2/5. If you got it wrong, you sit down. 2/5. You're not dividing. You're multiplying. Okay? Number 2. 3/5. Number 3. Number 4. 4/5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Should be 2.
Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong. Oh, yeah.
You have 2 or 4 halves. 2. Okay. He has 4 halves on his.
Oh, I was thinking
14. 14. 17,
Two.
18,
Three.
19,
Six.
20,
Two.
21,
Six.
22,
Two.
23,
10.
24.
I didn't get this.
Okay, good. Give him a hand. All right. Turn the page. We're doing B. 1 minute. Pencils up. Remember, you are beating yourself. Okay? Count the number you got correct on A. Write it, and that's the number you got to beat for B.
I need to beat 2.
Once you're ready, put your pencil up. Ready? Go. Seconds. All right. Stand up.
Yeah, I got the 21.
Number 1.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Number 2.
3 seconds.
Number 3.
4 seconds.
Number 4.
4 seconds.
Number 5.
3 seconds.
Number 6.
7 seconds.
Number 7.
9 seconds.
Number 8.
9 seconds.
Number 9.
3 8.
Number 10.
5 8.
Number 11.
5 8.
Number 10. 12, sorry. 12, sorry. 13.
2.
14.
3.
15.
2.
3, Julian. 16.
For 15?
It should be 3.
For 15?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, because I heard you say 2, that's fine. 16.
5.
17.
5.
18.
2.
19.
4.
20.
2.
21.
6.
21.
10.
22.
2.
23. 6. 24. 25. 26. 27. What was the last one said? Alexis, get a sticker. Did you get a sticker?
Oh no.
Okay, get a
I
sticker.
heard Daniel copy Alexis.
Huh?
I heard Daniel copy Alexis was.
You went all the way down?
She said like
26?
2, and then he's like.
Well, he has them pretty down. So, I mean, he's only cheating himself, right?
What copy you did?
Yeah, after though, okay? You can pick them after, so we can move on, because we gotta go to PN and 15. Sound good? Alright. Okay, good. He's only cheating himself. Okay. Alright, so one more fluency before we jump right into our lesson. Okay? When we were talking, lesson 1 and 2, right? We were building right rectangular prisms, right? When we were doing that, we were using our unit cubes, right? So if I have 1 unit cube, what's the volume? 1 what? 1 centimeter cube. Okay? If I have 2 What is my volume? Okay, good. So what you're gonna see, I'm gonna put up a right rectangular prism, and on your whiteboard, you're gonna get 10 seconds to tell me what you think the volume is. Okay? Sound good? Alright, so your whiteboard should be out. Okay? Ready? Here goes the first one. What is the volume of A? What is the volume of A? 10, 9, 8. Flip it over once you have it. 6, 5. What's the volume? 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them up. Let me see them. Yes, Penny. Good. If you just said 6, you're wrong. You need to put the centimeters cubed on it. Yes, good. Yes, Leanna. Good. I saw you in it at the end. Good. You have to. Oh, I'll grab you. Okay, it needs to be 6 centimeters cubed. Why? Why is it 6 centimeters cubed? Who can tell me why? Alexis. Good. All right, next one. Ready? B. B. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise them up. 8 centimeters cubed. Good. C. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them up. Good. It's 8 centimeters cubed. Okay, when you're looking at B and C, what's the difference? Yeah, Brayden. Okay, try. What's it? You're right. What's the difference in the base? Okay, good. What else? What else do you notice? What were you gonna say? I said, what were you gonna?
The B it has a lower height, but it has a longer width.
Okay, good. What else?
B is flat and C isn't.
Good. And what can we say? Is B made up of 1 layer or 2 layers? What about C?
2 layers.
Okay, good. Keep that in mind because we're going to talk about that today. D. Ready? Go. D. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold them up. Good. It's 8 centimeters cubed. Good.
I can see it because then you can.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Because how many centimeter cubes do you see? How many can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're just different variations, right? Remember when we were drawing them on Monday? All right, E. E. We can see. Rise up a little. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise them up. 8 centimeters cubed. Good. Last one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise them up. Good, you guys. Yes. 18 centimeters cubed. All right, good. Any questions? Vanessa warmed up? Okay, good. All right. Take out your application problem. You're going to start on page 319. 21, sorry. What? Sorry? What was your question?
You know how you usually put like wait,
That's page 21.
Page 21. Open up your learn book. 21 in your learn book. You can put your fluency away. Page 21. Timer's on. This is not the right one. Module 5. This should have gone home already. No. Look at this one. Think about what you could draw. Is it about the application problem? Is it about the application problem? Hmm? No? Okay. Then hold your question for we have time to talk.
what page is it?
21. Good, Marina. Good. Alright, I'm gonna bring you guys back because from what I'm seeing that you're drawing, I think we're a little confused. Okay? Alright. Isaiah, read it to me, please.
Oh, yeah. The ice cube tray has 2 rows of 8 ice cubes. How many ice cubes are in a stack of 12 ice cube trays? Draw a picture to explain your reasoning.
Okay. What's one thing they tell us?
There's 2 rows of 8 ice cubes.
In what?
12 ice cube trays.
No.
Or
In what, Isaiah?
there's 2 rows of 8 ice cube trays
And how many trays?
oh, it's all tray?
It says an ice cube tray has 2 rows of 8 ice cubes.
So 16.
But in how many trays? Think about it. read the question to yourself. Finn, and how many?
There are 16 ice cubes in one tray.
In one tray. So one tray has 2 rows of 8, right? And how many do they want you to find? Yeah, Brayden.
12.
12. They want you to find what 12 trays has, right? So, and they also want you to what? What else do they want you to do? Okay, so if Brayden knows that one tray has 8 and 8, right? 2 rows of 8. What could I draw that would show 12? Yeah.
Draw a take diagram and then split it and then draw a line down the middle.
Not necessarily, no. Marina, what did you draw?
I drew a diagram.
Okay. And what'd you do?
I drew 8 lines.
Okay. 8 lines? Why 8?
Because that's the number of ice cubes.
Okay. But that's not what they're asking us, right? What else could you draw, Nicholas? Do you want me to make this longer? No? No, yes or no? You tell me. Okay. What do you think, Alexis?
I was in Marina did, but instead of 8, I was split it into 12.
Okay. So if I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And what am I gonna put in each?
8.
Why? Why 8? Christian?
Because they're because it has
Yes. Each of these represent 1 ice cube tray. Right? So now, how would you find how many total ice cubes you need? Yeah.
What I did 16 times 12.
Why?
Because I know that there are 16 in each tray, and we're trying to find how much are in 12 trays.
Okay. So you did 16 times 12, and what did you get?
I got 192.
What?
192.
Do we agree with Isaiah?
Yes.
192 ice cubes. Okay, so what should we write? What statement should we write? Alexis?
There is 192 ice cubes and 12 ice trays.
Those of you that were drawing rectangular prisms, we didn't need to do all that, guys. We didn't need to do all that. We have to read the question. Okay? We gotta read it, yeah.
So what we basically have to do is just multiply 16 times 12.
That's all you had to do. Es todo. Okay? Marina, you were on the right track. Okay? You just had your numbers flipped. Okay? We good? Alright, let's move on. Take out your math notebooks. Please provide our objectives. objective today? Yeah, June.
Can you put my culture?
Yes. How about you raise your hand? When do you raise your finger? Is that better, Julian?
Yep.
Okay. Alexis, read the objective, please. Okay, good. Isaiah, read the learning target.
I can compose and decompose right rectangular prisms using layers.
Good. Christian, learn purpose.
So that I can count the number of layers in easily shape.
Good. Ariana, success criteria. Can you see it?
I'm successful when I can use it present to find the volume at 80% of the time.
Good. So, what does compose and decompose mean? What does compose mean? What do you think it means? Okay. Alright, so like to put something together or change it. Okay. What does decompose mean? Yeah, Danny?
Break it down.
To break it down. Okay. So we are going to be putting together and breaking down right rectangular prisms, right? So that we can understand how they're made up and their layers, right? We've been talking about that a little bit, right? As we've been working through the lessons. All right. So today we are going to be using our notes as well as page 27 in your Learn book. Okay? So open that up. You should have them side by side. Page 27. We're going to label them before we start. That's going to be helpful to our lesson today. Okay? So we're going to start with A. We're going to label this A. We're going to label this B. And we're going to label this C. Okay? Yeah.
Is it somewhat like math lesson?
Yes. But I think you're going to like this one more. Okay? A, B, and C. Once you have that, give me a thumbs up so I know we're ready to move on. Okay. So, on your tables, right, you have your centimeter cubes. Yes? Alright, if you're a number 4, you are the keeper of the centimeter cubes today. If you're a 4, you're the keeper of the centimeter cubes. So, okay? On your Oh, Ellen, go ahead. 4s. Okay. Okay. So we are gonna build our own cubes, right? So what's my volume here? I'm holding up how many cubes?
4.
So what's my volume?
4.
4 centimeters cubed, right? So I am going to place my centimeter cubes like so. Okay? Good? We're there? My 4s, you're helping your team? Okay. If you're a 3, you're gonna get another set of 4 centimeter cubes. Okay, then it goes to the 1s.
So number 2?
Okay? To the 1s. Your 3 is not here, you go to the 1s. Okay? You're gonna add another layer, another vertical layer, right, to your rectangular prism. Okay?
Right there?
So.
Look, Julian, up here. Look at mine, look at yours. Yeah? Okay. Next, my ones, I want you to add 3 more layers of 4 to your rectangular prism. Okay, I will give you a minute, my ones. Okay? 3 more layers of 4, sorry.
What happens if your ones already have gone? Does it go to your two?
Yeah.
No, she said
3 more layers of 4.
Look at her. Yeah, 2 layers.
Three more layers of 4. Should be finishing up. Three more layers of 4. Okay. You should just be adding to the one you already have. Right? Not changing it up.
She needs one.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay. Yours should look like mine. Alright. So, what is my volume for this? What's my volume?
20.
It's what? 20 cubic centimeters. Good. So it's 20 cubic centimeters. But if you were to look at this, if you're looking at it straight on, how many layers do you see?
1.
Raise your hand. How many layers do you see? 2? So you're looking at your layers which way? Horizontally or
I'm
vertically?
looking at the uniform.
Huh?
Like,
From left to right?
no. From straight. There's not.
Like, are you looking at them like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
saw
that's horizontally. Okay, how many vertical layers do you see? Julian? Huh?
2.
No. How many vertical? Up and down. How many vertical layers do you see? How many vertical layers
4.
did you add? Yes, Finn.
Vertical.
How many vertical layers do you have? Yes.
Half. 2.
Vertical.
Oh, vertical. Just 1.
No.
Oh.
5. 5 vertical layers of what? No. 5 vertical layers. How many are in each layer? If I were to break all these 5 layers up, how many are there in each? 4. So you have 5 layers of 4. So I have and how many are in each layer? How many are in each layer?
2.
What did you just tell me? Are in each layer?
4.
4. There's 4 in each layer. Right? So if we pull back a little, right? And we look here, and we think about the number of layers and the number of cubes. Yeah, Daniel. In each layer, and then what the volume is. Okay, can we ignore it for a minute so that we can finish and then we'll deal with it after. Yeah,
I can't see the notebook.
I know. I'm gonna pull it up. Give me a minute. Alright. So we think about the number of layers, the number of cubes in each layer, and what volume that is for A. Alexa said that there was 5 layers of 4 cubes, which gave us a volume of 20 centimeters cubed. Good. Okay. Now, can we write a expression that could help us understand this? An addition expression. What could we write? 4 centimeters cubed plus good. What else could we write? What's a multiplication equation we could write? Yeah.
Times 5?
Yes. Good. Exactly. Now, Isaiah, you said that when you looked at the layers, right, you were looking at them horizontally. Okay. And you said that if you were to split them, you were to split them this way, right? Not this way. So, let's do that. Let's break it down. Now, how many would be on each layer, Isaiah?
2? Or like, in each layer?
Yeah.
10?
10. There's 10 in each layer, right? So then, now we go back to our chart. How many layers do you have now?
2?
2 layers with how many in each layer?
10?
10, which gives you a volume of 20 centimeters cubed. We good? Okay. So now, what addition expression can I write? Hadassah, what addition expression can I write for this one?
10 centimeters cubed plus 10 centimeters cubed plus 10 centimeters cubed plus 10.
How many layers do you have? 2. So you add 10 centimeters cubed how many times? 2 times. What would be our multiplication equation?
10 centimeters cubed times 2.
10 centimeters cubed times 2. Good. Is there a third way we could split this? If we're look at your rectangular prism. Mine got a little messed up. Look at it in all the angles and talk with your group and tell me if there's one more way you would be able to split it.
Down the middle.
Josiah, keep that thought. Okay, Josiah, when you said down the middle, what did you think? What did you mean by that?
I thought maybe that we could do,
Guys,
we did it like vertical.
like
And like
right here, like if we broke it down this way,
Like
show
down,
me.
down like the middle of this way.
But that would that would assume that each of those are 2 chunky layers. Okay? That would still give me 4 4 layers of 5. Does that make sense? Well, what if you, instead of going this way, you went the other way? No. Instead of you cutting it from this way, if you cut it this way.
So we just did that for the other one.
No, we didn't. We didn't cut it that way. Look at how we cut it.
This way, not that way. So you're saying that we cut it like...
I'm saying, instead of cutting it this way, you could have cut it this way as well. So that would give me 2 layers of what? Of 10. So then there would be 10 and 10. So what would be my addition equation? Isaiah?
10 centimeter cubed and 10 centimeter cubed.
And what would be my multiplication, Josiah?
It would be 10 centimeters cubed times 2.
Good. Are we kind of following? So we're understanding how we're composing them and how we can break them down, right? By the layers, right? And there's more than one way to do it. Now, I want you to watch me as I do this, okay? Wait, go back to your recording sheet on your notes. We're gonna go 2 layers of 10, right? Which gives us a volume of
20 centimeters squared.
20 centimeters cubed. 20 centimeters cubed. Go ahead. Okay? Alright. Now, this last one, this 4th one, it doesn't mean that we're gonna break it down more. Okay? Because we've hit all the angles, right? Now, on this last one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of our lines together to show our actual rectangular prism with our unit cubes, right? So just look at me, you're not doing anything, okay? I'm gonna start by doing my 5 layers of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to do my 2 layers of 10, right? And then my last 2 layers of 10. I just drew my rectangular prism. If I were to count this and find the volume, how do I find volume? What's one of the formulas? Volume is equal to what? Yeah.
Height plus base.
No. Base times height. What's the next one, Christian? Length times width times height. So, what is my length here? 2. What's my width? 5. And my height? 2. Alright, so let's do that. 2 times 5 times 2 is what? 10 times 2 is what? 20 centimeters cubed. Yeah? How do we feel? Questions? We feel okay? Alright, one more. We're gonna do B. Alright, so for B, I want you to build a right rectangular prism with a base of 3 by 4. A base of 3 by 4. A base of 3 by 4. So, what's going to be my length? And my height? So 3 by 4 sorry, a 3 by 3. It should be 3 by 3. A base of 3 by 3. A base of 3 by 3. No, we're gonna work on it. I was just asking you to follow. Because if once you guys copy, you lose a little bit. Okay? Alright. A base of 3 by 3. Yes? So yours should look like mine. Or similar. Next, I want you to add. I want you to add 4 more layers. 4 more layers. Four more layers on top. Yes, Daniel. 4 more layers on top. You should be working together. Four more layers. To the base. Yes. Good, Daniel. Yes.
They say you keep on breaking it, and I keep on breaking it.
On top. 4 more layers on top. You should have enough. Have enough. Three by 3. You have enough cubes? You guys have enough? You guys have enough?
Sometimes glasses and all of these. Pick up the
Alright, you should be finishing up. Alright, table 6 is done. Table 4 is done. Table 1 is done. We're almost done. You done? Table 3 is done.
We're done.
Table 5 is done. Table 7, we're almost there, right? Table 2, we're getting there, right? Alright, good. Alright, good. So you have your rectangular prism, right? I want you to look at it and tell me, if you were to break it down, if you were to look at it like layers of cake,
See, that's
if you're looking at it as layers of cake, how many layers of cake do you have? How many? Put your hand up. Show me with your hand. How many layers? 5. You have 5 layers. Okay? How many are in each layer? How many are in each layer? How many, Alexis? 9. So you have 5 layers. Of 9. You have 5 layers of 9, right? Yes. Yeah, hold on, let me just finish, okay? So we have, let's go back to our recording sheet, right? And the volume. So what's my volume here? If I have 5 layers of 9 fin, what's my volume?
45 cubic
45 cubic centimeters cubed. 45 centimeters cubed. We good? Alright, we're gonna pause right here. And when we come back from PE, we'll go over it again, okay? Alright. Go to PE.
the tower.